So the goal of this workshop is to understand how the AI may affect the product, like the designer's work, and use it better. So in this case, we are exploring the ideation part of the designer process. So we are entering the ideation phase and trying to make it as fast as possible. In that way, helping ourselves with AI.
In 3 days, it's really adaptation. The super rapid workshop mirrors what exactly happens in the professional world. Sometimes you have a few days to visualize, and I think having these tools at your disposal helps the students in the workplace in the future, next year, for whatever next project is coming.
Instead of replacing the imagination or the process of ideation with AI, we train them trying to find a good rhythm, the new way to process as a designer with generative AI. So we help them describe a strong narrative, a strong story, find the words before without computers.
As the students propose these ideas, we as instructors ask them, what is the ethical ramification? What is the implication of this technology? Everything from displacing workers, but also to create opportunities. So we have them rethink, what are the problems that this could create? So that way they balance their solution. They go back and rethink, okay, I'll change something, or I'll really consider how this is going to impact society. So it isn't just a quick fix to something. It's really allowing them to rethink, like, imagine what will this do to the world?
We try to challenge ourselves with the challenges proposed by different companies of China by the DIA competition. We try to put ourselves in these challenges that have been made, and at the end produce something that is going to be at least ethical, obviously, and a great visual with AI to be produced after it with more preparation and more detail.
We're taking the opportunity there to have a few experts and have a little jury and people commenting every stories, every narrative that is going to be presented. For the students, it's a real opportunity to have very good feedbacks.
Yeah, it's good.
And say what's the strong part of the story, what's the weak part, what could you do to improve.